Good morning, students. This video we will see them at 9th standard algebra exercise sums. It's a 3.7 exercise. Okay, in this exercise we will study the divisions of polynomial. Division of polynomial. So we have two different method will be there. The divisions. Okay. So first one is a division of polynomial. The second one is a synthetic division. Synthetic division. So we will see that one by one. Okay. So the first method is the division of polynomial. The question is find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder when divided by 4x power 3 plus 6x square minus 23x plus 18. The first, when the dividend is, we need the proper equation. The proper equation means, see, there is a x power 3 and x square and x and the constant value. Suppose if there is any term is missing, you have to add with 0. Okay? So like this. We'll go for the solution. The first one, 4x power 3 plus 6x square minus 23x plus 18. Plus 18. The divisor is x plus 3. The question is find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. So we will go for the division. So there is a x and it is a here 4x power 3. 4x power 3. So you have to multiply with a 4x square. Then 4x square into x is equal to 4x power 3. 4x power 3. So now we are multiplying the first term only. Again one more term is there. This is 3. Then 4x square into 3. Multiplication. 4x square into 3 is equal to. First we will multiply the numbers. 4 3s are 12. X square. Okay. Next we will go for the subtraction. So subtraction means we will go for algebraic expression. So the 4x power 3 will be cancelled. So now there is one is positive, another one is a negative. Then we will go for the subtraction and make a biggest number sign. So minus 6x square. Minus 6x square. So first we will write this equation divisor, then dividend. So we will consider the first term. What is the first term? X. So here is the first term, 4x power 3. So which term we want to multiply? 4x square into x is equal to 4x power 3. So then only you will get the 0 here. Okay. So the same term you will multiply with 4x square into 3. So 12x square. Okay. Now you just see here, minus 6x square is there. See, minus 6x square. And here the first term is x. First term is x. So if you have divide this, one x is balance and minus 6. So minus 6x. Minus 6x. This minus 6x you will write here. Minus 6x. Did you understand? This minus 6x you will write here. The next term, minus 23x plus 18. Okay, so here minus 6x. Now we are find this. This minus 6x you will multiply these two terms and write here. See, minus into plus. Minus 6 into 1. 6. X into x square. Okay, the first term is over. Next, minus into plus. Minus 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18 into x. So again, the same way you want to change the sign. Okay, minus 6x square, then plus 6x square. Now here, one is a positive, then another one is a negative. Then we will go for the subtraction and make a biggest number sign. So minus 23x plus 18x. The result is minus 5x. Minus 5x. then plus 18, minus 5x plus 18. See here x and here minus x minus 5x divided by x. The first term is x. So x and x will be cancelled. The result is minus 5. Minus 5. This minus 5 you will multiply it here. You will write here. Then minus 5, you consider this minus 5 and multiply these two terms. Minus 5 into x is equal to minus 5x. Minus into plus a, minus a. 5 3s are 15. Did you understand? Minus 5 into x is equal to minus 5x. Minus into plus a, minus a. 5 3s are 15. Then again you want to change the sign. 5x and 5x will be cancelled. Plus 18 plus 15. Plus 18 plus 15 is equal to plus 33. So this is the remainder. So remainder is equal to 33. Then the quotient is equal to 4x square minus 6x minus 5a. Minus 5a. Okay? Did you understand? Okay. Now continue with it. Okay? The first one, I will see the divisions. Ordinary division. So now we can continue with the synthetic division. Find the quotient and remainder. This is also for question is find the quotient and remainder. But we are using for the synthetic division method. Fifth sum. X power 3 plus x square minus 7x plus 3 divided by x minus 3. Okay, divided by x minus 3. And here is also for the equation. It must be the order. The descending order is must be needed. The power is must be needed for the descending order. The given equation P of x is equal to x power 3 plus x square minus 7x minus 3. See that? The descending order. Suppose if any terms are missing here, you will add with 0. Okay? You will must be add with a 0. The same way, they are given for x minus 3, the divisor. X minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 3. X minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 3. Now, so the synthetic division, you have to divide only for the coefficients. You have to divide only for the coefficients. The coefficient of x power 3 is 1. Here, first term. The coefficient of x power 3 is 1. The coefficient of x square is 1. The coefficient of x minus 7. The constant value is a minus 3. Okay? Did you understand how we are writing? Only the constant, only the coefficients and the constant value. And here we got x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 3. This 3 you will write here. Okay? You write here. So now the first term you make a 0. Not only for this synthetic division, this sum. For all the sum, when we are going to go for the synthetic division, the first term here you must make a 0. So now we can add these two values 1 plus 0, 1. Do you understand? 1 plus 0, 1. Add, addition. Then now these two terms multiplication. See, 3 into 1. 3 ones are multiplication. 3. That answer you should write here. 3 ones are 3. Then you will write here. Next term you want to write it. And again you want to add this. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. So now you will multiply these two values. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So here both number is a positive value. So we will add here. Now One is a positive, another one is a negative. So we'll go for the subtraction and make a biggest number sign. Okay, every sums I told you, one is a positive, another one is a negative. We will go for the subtraction and make a biggest number sign. Okay. Okay. Next, again you will multiply. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Here also one is a positive, another one is a negative. Then we will go for the subtraction and make a biggest number sign. So this is the remainder. What is this? This is a remainder. The question is find the quotient and remainder using synthetic division. So we are find the remainder. Then the quotient. This is the quotient. So we have only for the coefficients. From this coefficient, we will convert into the equation. How to convert it? The equation, the given polynomial is started with the x power 3. So the quotient will be started with the x square. Okay. So here 1x is this term, x square, coefficient of x square is 1. So x square plus 4x plus 4x plus 5 plus 5. So this is the remainder. From where we will get? This is that. Here. So here you will write the quotient. Quotient is x power 2 plus 4x plus 5. The remainder is 12. Okay. So in this video we'll study the algebraic division. Okay, two methods. Algebraic division, we have a two method. One is a division method, another one is a synthetic division method. Synthetic division method. Okay, did you understand? Okay, thank you.